You ever have a wheel that won't come off no matter what you do? So I got all my lug nuts off and this stupid thing won't come off for nothing. What in the heck? Never fear, the clayway is here. I'm going to show you how to get this off. Now, one thing you might be thinking is, take a hammer and hit the back side of this thing. No. Do not do that. Because this is an aluminum wheel, and even if it wasn't an aluminum wheel, you could break it or dent it or something like that. And in this situation, you could crack it and not even know you did it. So there's a simple trick, and you've probably never seen it. This isn't for guys who've been working on cars for decades. Anyways, all you do is you just stand up, take your leg, you go. That doesn't work. Nothing I'm doing's working. Great trick, bud. Show us that again. Oh, bam. The reason this works is, think about it like as this is a leverage point, and as you hit this rubber, you're trying to hit it right here, which is creating force that pushes this wheel off of the hub. Once you take it off, you'll just notice that it had a bunch of corrosion that got down inside there, just corroded up against there. But generally, this only takes a couple seconds, even though it took me like a minute to kick this stupid thing and get it off of here. So this is the reason that I'm taking this wheel off. Woo! Don't worry, folks. Looks a lot worse than what it is. But right here, this box is rusted out. So if you're a Chevy Equinox owner, know that your boy, Clayboy, has a great solution for this. Check that out in other videos on my playlist. That is not looking good. Normally, you'd have to take this stinking thing to the scrapyard. But I've got a solution. Folks, the devil is in the details. Backing up to the vehicle and allowing the wheel to spin when you're kicking it is the crucial and important part. Your knee will create a different amount of leverage by backing up to it and kicking backwards on it. Keep that in mind. Remember, no matter what it is in life, if anyone else can do it, I promise you, you folks, you can do it too. Don't be the next to them, be the very first to you. God bless and have the greatest of days.